breaks through the morning haze, guiding hearts to heaven's gaze. In every step we find our call, to spread the word, to give our all. Through deserts dry and rivers wide, the Spirit moves, it will not hide. With power given, hearts ignite, a flame that shines through darkest night. We are witnesses of light, in the shadow, in the fight. From Jerusalem to earth's embrace, we carry hope to every place. The Holy Ghost, a mighty stream, a rushing wind, a sacred dream. It fills the soul, it sets us free, to tell the world of victory. In every tongue, in every land, we take His truth, we make our stand.